Hello my beautiful and handsome people, welcome to Nzele Betty's channel where we vlog about natural tips for a healthy and glowing look. Today guys, we shall be talking on joy killers, some of those things which we do that rob and steal joy away from us. Alright, before we dive into that, I want to acknowledge my returning subscribers. Thank you very much for your love and your support. I see them all and I'm grateful for that. And to you that is watching this video for the first time or tuning into this channel for the first time, do not forget to subscribe and join this beautiful family, okay? And hit on the notification bell as well so that you will be notified each time we come up with a new video. Alright, in that light, let's vividly discuss our today's topic, which is joy killers. What are those things that we do or that we practice that steal joy away from our lives? Number one, some of those habits are unresolved conflict, guys. Yeah, unresolved conflict is one of the things that steal joy in your life. Remember that problems always arises, conflicts will always come, but when we don't resolve them on time, when we prolong them or we allow them to extend to a certain level, it is going to emulate into bitterness and it's going to prolong anger as well in us, and this is going to prevent us from experiencing the joy of the Lord. Why not let go? Why not communicate your offender? Make your offender to know that he or she has offended you. You know, at times we can offend somebody without even knowing that we offended that person. But when we walk up to that person and explain it to that person, communicate the person with the intention of reconciliation, that you have offended me in so and so way, I think that is going to help in solving a situation to at a certain point. And also, let's try to forgive. For forgiveness is one of the things that open up to God's joy. Yeah, in your life. Forgiveness unlocks God's joy in your life. So let's always try to forgive each time we are offended by somebody, okay? In order to experience joy. For joy is the number one medicine to our health. Yeah, joy is the number one medicine to your mental state of health. Okay, so let's always try to forgive each time we find ourselves having conflict with each and every one around us. Okay, then the second aspect is that comparison and envy. Oh my God, this aspect steals joy. It robs joy away from you. Yeah, when you see yourself comparing to others, envying others. Why comparing with somebody when you don't even know that person's background or you don't know the challenges that person even faced in life? Just be you, okay? Let's just go closer to God. Rather, seek God and discover your own gift from Him. Then you work on it and build it up, okay? Instead of comparing yourself with others or being envious with somebody else's talent or achievement. Yeah, I think we should rather go closer to God, seek His face and discover your own talent. And when you discover that, just be you, work on it and empower yourself rather than trying to copy somebody else's own ways, because when you are trying to do that, you're going to hurt yourself at the end of the day, since you will not be able to do exactly like that person. Okay, that is going to steal joy from you, and when that joy is gone, your health automatically won't be stable. For joy is the number one medicine to your soul. Yes, my beautiful and handsome people. And the last one that I want to talk about is this aspect of complaining. Complaining all the time in everything you find yourself doing is not healthy at all. Rather than complaining if the thing is not going, search the reason why the thing is not going and try to push more harder, okay, to get a better result rather than complaining. For you know that this complaining aspect do take away joy from us. Why? Because it's going to subject you into negative thinking, and when you are subjected into negative thinking, nothing good can come out from your life, because everything around you is negative. That is going to steal joy from you, and it's going to affect your mental state a lot. My beautiful and handsome people, let's try to always let go of conflicts. Let's try to stop comparing with each other Let's also stop this complaining attitude, okay? With that, you will discover that the joy of the Lord will always be your portion. You will constantly find yourself being joyful, all right? Okay, let's end here for today and continue some other time, okay? I want to thank each and every one of you that have put in time and effort to watch out this episode. Thank you so much. I really appreciate. I will be back with another points, okay, on this same aspect of joy killers, for it is really affecting us a lot. And whenever this aspect comes to you, or you notice or realize that these joy killers are around you, try to overcome them. Overcome them, okay? Do not murmur, do not complain, do not allow unresolved conflict to eat you up. Yeah. And don't always compare and envy others, okay? So that you will always have your joy with you. And by the help of God, we are going to overcome this. All right, my beautiful and handsome people. If you like the video, okay, do not forget to give it a thumbs up and comment at the comment section. I'll be waiting for you there to hear your own opinion and your own thoughts about this topic, joy killers. All right, thank you so much, and don't forget to share the video as well. Share it out, okay, so that others can as well benefit from this our healthy tips, which we do share once a week, okay? I love you guys so much, and from me to you is love. Remain healthy and joyous. Bye for now.